Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of setting up a proxy on your iOS device. Keep in mind that this tutorial requires your device to be connected to a Wi-Fi network. If you are using mobile internet, using a proxy won't be possible. Connect your device to Wi-Fi and go to Settings and the Wi-Fi menu. Find the network you are connected to and press the I icon next to it. This will open a new window with information about the network. Scroll down to the bottom and select Proxy Settings in the HTTP Proxy section. Choose Manual to configure the proxy settings. You'll now have access to fields where you can set up your proxy. In the first field, enter the IP address of the proxy. In the second field, enter the proxy port. If you are using a personal proxy, activate Authentication. This will enable additional fields where you can enter your username and password. Enter the necessary information and save the settings, and close all windows. That's it! The proxy is now set up on your iOS device and you can start browsing with it. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.